Hello my dear student, lecture number 16 for CBSE board. Chapter number 5, Arithmetic Progression. In this lecture, I am going to explain you remaining example from 5.3. Question number 18. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternatively at A and B, starting with center at A of radius 0.5 centimeter, 1.0 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2.0 centimeter, and so on. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Okay, now try to understand figure. Okay, now this is a center A and this is a semicircle. Okay, so let the length of this semicircle be L1. Then for this semicircle, this B is a center and radius is equal to 1 centimeter. Here radius is equal to 0.5 for L1. For L2 radius is equal to 1 centimeter. Then this is the third semicircle. Center is this, okay, and so on. AB, these are what center alternatively. So for this is suppose L3 semicircle and this length is L3 and this center is what? A. Then B, center B and draw this semicircle, that is if length is equal to L4. Okay. Now then you try to understand. L1 is equal to radius. For L1 radius is equal to 0.5 centimeter. For L2 radius is equal to 1 centimeter. For L3 radius is equal to 1.5 centimeter. L4 radius is equal to 2 centimeter, and therefore find the length. And therefore L1 is equal to pi R1. This is what circumference of semicircle is equal to 0.5 pi. L2 is equal to pi into R2 is equal to pi. L3 is equal to pi into R3 is equal to 1.5 pi, so on. So list of number 0.5 pi, 1.5, 2 pi forms an AP. Okay. L3 is equal to A plus 12D, and therefore L3 is equal to 0.5 plus 12 into bracket 0.5 pi gives you 6.5 pi. Okay, and then I find sum of all lengths. Now Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket a plus l, and therefore S13 is equal to 13 upon 2 into bracket 0.5 pi plus 6.5 pi is equal to 13 upon 2 into 7 pi, and is equal to 13 upon 2 into 7 into pi is equal to 22 upon 7. So this 7 get cancelled, 2 11s are, and therefore S13 is equal to 13 into 11 gives you 143 centimeter, and hence the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles is 143 centimeter. Okay. Question number 19. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner R1, that is equal to bottom row, is equal to 20, R2 next to the bottom row 19, R3 next to R2 18, and so on. Find number of rows and number of logs in the top row. Okay. Solution. The arrangement of logs row wise is as 20, 19, 18, and so on. So above list of number forms AP with A is equal to 20 and D is equal to -1 and Sn is equal to 200 given. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and therefore 200 is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 40 plus n minus 1 into minus 1 gives you n upon 2 into bracket 40 plus n minus n. And therefore these two you transfer on this side. 400 is equal to 41n minus n square, and therefore n square minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Solve this equation so that you will get n. So I split up 400 such that addition is equal to 41. So my two factors are minus 25 and minus 16. So n minus 25, n minus 16 is equal to 0. These two are my factors, and therefore n minus 25 is equal to 0, n minus 16 is equal to 0, and therefore n is equal to 25 and n is equal to 16. Now then find 25, A25. A25 is equal to A plus 24D. So when n is equal to 25, so therefore A25 is equal to 20 plus 24 into minus 1 gives you 20 minus 24 is equal to minus 5. So but logs are what positive, logs are not negative, and therefore n is equal to 25 is not possible, and therefore a is equal to 16. So 16, n is equal to 16 possible, and therefore a 16 is equal to a plus 15d is equal to 20 plus 15 minus 1 gives you 5, and n is equal to, so therefore n is equal to 16 possible. So number of rows is equal to 16 and number of logs in the top row is equal to 5. Okay. Example number 20, and this is the last example of this chapter. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at starting point which is 5 meters from the first potato, and the other potato are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. A competitor starts from the bucket, pick up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drop it in the bucket, run back to pick up next potato, runs to the bucket, and so on, drop it until all the potatoes are in the bucket. So what is the total distance the competitor has to run? Okay. Now by means of figure you try to understand. So this is a bucket, and here you have to drop potatoes, and the first potato is from 5 meter from the starting point, and now then each potato is 3 meter apart from each other, and similarly there are 10 potatoes. Okay. Competitors start from the bucket, number of potatoes 10. To collect first potato, Distance runs is equal to 5 plus 5, that is 10 meter. Then for second potato, this plus this, that is 8 plus 8, 16. For third potato, 11 plus 11, that is 22 and 22 meters, and so on. So list of number 10, 16, 22 forms AP with A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 6. There are 10 potatoes, hence N is equal to 10. A10 is equal to A plus 9D, so is equal to 10 plus 9 into 6 is equal to 10 plus 54 is equal to 64. S10 is equal to 10 upon 2 into bracket A plus L, that is 10 plus 64 is equal to 5 into 74, gives you 370 meters, and hence competitor have to run distance of 370 meters to complete the race. Okay, now it is enough today. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.